In this video, I'll show you how to set a take profit on Margex. Step by step, let's make sure you actually keep your profits. Quick reminder, a take profit closes your trade automatically at the level you choose. There are many ways to choose that level, but here are two simple examples for beginners. Using the next resistance zone, using a percentage of your deposit, usually 10 to 15%. Now let's see how both methods look inside the Margex interface. Here in Margex, we already have the chart open. Move the cursor to the recent price action. See this area where the market tried pushing higher and then pulled back? That's the resistance zone, sitting near $86,900. If we use the resistance method, placing a take profit slightly below this zone, for example, $86,800, would make sense. Now let's look at the same idea from a deposit-based perspective, using Margex. Move to step 1. Open your position panel. Here you'll see take profit, stop loss, and all order details. Step 2. Select the take profit field. Click the box labeled Take Profit. Here, Margex lets you set take profit as a percentage based on your deposit, not the price move. Step 3. Enter the take profit level. For beginners, a common choice is 10 to 15%. Enter your target, for example, plus 15%. Margex instantly shows your estimated profit preview, so you can see the result before confirming. Step 4. Confirm. If everything looks correct, click Confirm. Your take profit is now active. Remember, a take profit locks in your gains before the market turns around. It keeps your wins safe.